Hey guys, hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry the videos are a little bit later than expected at the moment. We've had about 2 weeks of rain hit us in the last 2 weeks, and we haven't had a chance to be able to get out and film. But today the sun's came out for a little bit. We've got a little bit of a break in the weather, so got some news for you guys. The new bullbar got put on the 4-wheel drive the other day. Been super excited to show you guys. However, I haven't been able to show you guys because of the rain, but the rain has disappeared today for a little bit. We got probably an hour window today, so I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to give you guys a look at the bullbar. So before I give you guys a look at the bullbar, I'm just going to run a quick clip of the old bullbar, give you guys a look at that, and give you a before and after. So I'm going to run the old bullbar and then you will see the new one afterwards. What you doing, buddy? You doing, big girl? Alright guys, so this is the new bullbar. So the new bullbar is a EFS Stockman. It was put on by North Queensland Springs here in Townsville. They're the ones that did my rear leaf conversion to 600 kilogram springs in the back. So I've been with these guys a couple of times and they've done great work, so I thought I'd give them a go, let them put the new bullbar and winch on for me, and let me just say, I think they absolutely killed it. Absolutely great choice, the EFS Stockman. It is super heavy duty. I think it's about 5mm thick plate, and then it's gel dipped, and then it's covered in black powder coating. So absolutely wicked looking bar. On the top here we have the control box for the winch. I've also got a Recon 13,000 pound winch, as you can see. There's the little spot for the fairlead to come out down the bottom there, and there's a peek at the winch. So it's got the handle release on top, so you can have free drag, or you can have it locked in and engaged. It also has a little I guess a on and off button here to stop draining your battery while the car is parked up. As you can see, I've taken the steady lights off the old bullbar and put them on here. I'm thinking about putting the light bar on top of this bar. However, I need to go get some C-clamps to be able to do that. But in the meantime, I've reconnected all the wires for the spotties on the front, and I just think it looks absolutely awesome. The guys did a wicked job. Yeah, super strong, sturdy, and 13,000 pounds, which is about 8 tons. So a couple of good strong recovery points here on the other side as well there, and a guard bash plate underneath, which is good. You can never have enough recovery points, especially when you're going off grid. These bits here are plastic. It just covers it, makes it look a little bit nicer. The LEDs are super awesome on the fog lights. They came with the standard LEDs when they put the bar on, so I can't complain about that. And this side as well. Yeah, absolutely awesome, wicked bar. Guys did a great job, and I would definitely recommend this 100% to anyone looking at a decent bull bar for a decent price. To give you guys one more look